My name is Gary Quillin. I'm a project manager with Total Roofing. I've been working with Total Roofing for going on 10 years this June. The day in the life of a project manager at Total Roofing is very unpredictable. We're doing everything from starting projects to going out and meeting customers, looking at people's issues, sitting in the office putting together estimates. My favorite part about working at Total Roofing is being able to help people fix their problems. Some of the problems people have, a lot of times it's unexpected. They have leaks after storms. They might have just bought a new house, need work done. A lot of times these are major investments financially, helping navigate people through those problems, whether it's possibly going through the insurance or coming up with financial options to be able to secure people's homes. It's kind of rewarding at the end of the day when people come to you with a problem and you're able to help them with a solution. What's exciting about the future at Total Roofing, I think there's a lot of younger people recently employed. There's a lot of excitement around expansion, growing the company and growing the people within the company along with it. One of the big achievements that I'm proud of is being able to get some of the bigger complexes, their roofs approved through the insurance process. The insurance claims for an entire complex could be $1 million or more. If they didn't have help coming up with that financial relief, then they might be stuck in a really difficult situation trying to come up with that kind of money to replace the roofs on 30 buildings or more. I'm a big sports person, so outside of work I love going to my kids' baseball or football games, really anything sports related. Something unique that others might not know is I'm a huge dog person, so me and my dog are pretty close, even though my kids were the ones that talked me into getting her when I was hesitant at first, but now we're kind of best friends. I have a Great Dane. My dog's name is Pebbles. Closing thoughts, I'm just excited. I think it's a great time for Total Roofing. There's a lot of excitement amongst everybody that works here, and I think the future is bright.